People who sit for several hours a day, or any regular gymgoers and professional athletes will definitely relate. When I say we all know how annoying the discomfort could get when we get tight hips. Our hips are essential for runners, cyclists, and non-athletes alike. They're not just responsible for the banging dance routines we break out on TikTok or on the dance floor. Tight hip flexors are caused by sitting for long periods of time, which practically everyone does, not gonna lie. Lower back discomfort, hip pain, and injury can all be caused by tight hip flexors. Because you're constantly in flexion, your hips will eventually become stiff. Your gluts can typically shut down as a result of all the tension. Hence, all of your exercises like squats, lunging, and deadlifting may not give you the best results. Here are 3 exercises to help you relieve the stress you get from having tight hips, which you should practice every day. Exercises number 1. Lying hip rotations. This exercise begins the workout as a gentle warm-up movement before progressing to the remainder of the exercises. The key points for this exercise include: Step number 1, lying on your back and bending both of your knees. Step number 2, cross one of your ankles over the opposite knee. Step number 3, move in and out of the stretch by rotating your hip in and out. Step number 4, for the hold, you may use your hand for assistance to press into the knee. Modified version of lying hip rotations exercises. While being seated in any chair, couch, or bench, raise your legs onto a stool or chair. The higher the surface you choose, the more difficult it will be for you, and then externally rotate one leg at a time. Now try crossing one ankle over the other leg and turning externally from that position. The bottom leg can be completely bent or slightly straightened. Exercises number 2. Knee lifts. Knee lifts are a core-building exercise that promotes better posture and alignment. It prevents and reduces low back pain, improves your balance, and can help with control, agility, coordination, and coordination. Knee lifts stretch your gluteal muscles, thigh muscles, and hip flexors. To do knee lifts properly, you should lie flat on your back with your legs outstretched. Bring your right knee to your chest, and you should keep your left knee pressed against the floor. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds and repeat on the other side, to, even it out. You'll feel a stretch in your hip with each knee lift. This indicates that you're doing it right. You should do 2 or 3 sets on each side. Exercises number 3. Butterfly stretch. To finish off this workout, we have the butterfly stretch. This is an excellent stretch to do after a workout, or when you need to get out of your chair after a long stressful day at work or school. The key points for this exercise include: Step number 1, you'll have to be sitting on the floor, with your legs visibly straight out in front of you. Step number 2, now bring the soles of your feet together, and move your heels as close as you can to your body. Step number 3, lean forward with a straight back. Step #4, push onto your thighs using your elbows for a deeper and better stretch. Step number 5, hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Now we can all shake our hips just like Shakira to our favorite songs. Remember to do these 3 exercises frequently. You'll have a higher chance of keeping your hip flexors injury-free and off the operating table if you practice these exercises daily. Thanks for watching. Check the description below to get our tips and recommendations.